Hop into the 2018 Ford F-150. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, backup camera, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, alarm, passenger adjustable lumbar. Get more out of a light-duty pickup than you ever thought possible. This F-150 is waiting just for you. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.